I require. My desire is for you to be true and strong, and then someday you get to know to where you went from. So how do I ever go on living this way? Acting like a child so young and gay. You don't know how it feels to be loved. You don't know what it is to be loved. Oh no, Lord, you don't know what it is to be loved. You don't take it easy on the sisters. Brothers getting too rough with the sisters. They don't know what it is to be loved. They don't know what it is to be loved. Oh Lord. Yes. Take it easy on your sister, see? Take it easy on your female. I'm not saying I'm perfect, sometimes I'm a little harsh myself. But Jesus, how much more can we put on the ladies? Too much pressure, man. Release the pressure, man. Trouble.
Yeah, man, give thanks.
Oh, man.
Listen, musician, you are anointed.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.